Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Agartala. It is from Tripura. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive credit operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities like operations, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with minimum DVU, hold branch hold, and regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for cleaning all the holes without any delay, regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments, publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holes and processing of files, regular training to sales and discussions on process or policy and to reduce branch hold, providing regular feedback or suggestions on process or system improvement to ACOM or ORCOM. These are the job duties and key responsibilities. For more information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in iCloud EMS. They are looking for PHP Laravel developer. Coming to the ideal candidate profile, like the candidate must be passionate to develop applications in PHP or MySQL and proficient in Ajax ERP, product development, PHP, MySQL, database design and lifecycle, and should be quick learner and hardworking. Coming to the interview process, like their technical round, HR round, and in technical round they will share an assignment as a part of the interview process wherein they will give you some instructions and relevant documents to help you in completing the assignment, and once you are done with the assignment and they would be take your profile ahead to the HR round. And coming to the qualifications required like BTech or BE in computers and telecommunications and diploma. And coming to the job type, it will be full time, and benefits will be it will be work from home. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Indy Paul and Associates. They are looking for office clerk. Coming to the job type, it will be full time, and schedule will be day shift. It will be evening shift or morning shift, and supplemental pay will be quarterly bonus and yearly bonus will be there. And coming to the education, like secondary or like 10th pass is preferred. And coming to the experience required, like in MS Office, 1 year of experience is preferred, and total work will be 1 year is preferred. And coming to the languages known, like Hindi and English are preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in the same organization, that is ND Paul and Associates. They are looking for accounts executive. Coming to the job type, it will be full time, and salary will be 5,000 to 9,000 per month, and schedule will be day shift or evening shift or morning shift, and supplemental pay will be yearly bonus, and education will be bachelor's is preferred. And coming to the experience required, like in accountings, 1 year is preferred, total work will be 1 year is preferred, and AR analysis will be 1 year is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Swiggy food delivery. They are looking for delivery executives, and they are looking for delivery boy or girl. And coming to their job requirements, like having their own vehicle, bike or scooty is must, and must know regional languages like Bengali and Hindi. And the candidates must have valid DL, Aadhaar, PAN card and bike RC. Coming to the benefits, like puja bonus and daily login incentive and insurance will be there. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time or contract. and the pay will be 15,000 to 30,000 per month. Coming to the benefits, like it will be flexible schedule, and schedule will be, it will be day shift or evening shift or flexible shift or morning shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, it will be joining bonus, overtime pay, performance bonus and shift allowance. Coming to the languages known, like Hindi and Bengali are preferred, and coming to the license or certification, DL is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.